stop. You're getting too excited now, aren't you? You've got 109 kilograms of payload.
Right.
Today, have a look at this. We've got the Basecamp 2019, and this has got the target graphics on this one. Have I ever told you that this is my most favouriteest caravan? This is my most favouriteest caravan. Somebody rang up last week and I got all excited. I was like, oh yes, I love those. So 2019, it is the Basecamp 2, so it's a 2 berth. We are...
We've had a bigger one yet, have we?
We've not, have we? No, I think we've had a 4 or a 6. If you've got a 4 or a 6 and you want to sell one, let me know, because I want to buy it.
Yeah.
I do, I like it. So we've got 916 kilograms as she stands there now, and 1,027 maximum. So not a heavy van. You can get the awnings for these. This hasn't got the awning, but it is the Basecamp Plus, so you get all the extras, which we'll come to in a bit. So on the outside, we have got a 230 volt socket, so you've got power outside into your awning if you had a big wraparound awning, because the awnings that are on these are a big wraparound thing and they're really cool, but they're a nightmare to put up. So yeah, just sail over that a little bit. External barbecue point just there, our fridge vents, our big locker at the front. The only issue that I do find with these Basecamps is, I don't know whether it's because I'm small, the handles feel really big and really awkward. It's dead light to move around, but it just feels awkward with the way that, I don't know, it feels like such a small little dinky van. The handle should have been here and like it should have been a lot easier, but it just feels like, I don't know. Spare wheel in the front, so we lose a bit of storage in that front compartment. But have a look at this. If nobody steals these off here, it's got the gas low bottles. So these are the refillable bottles. So basically you can go and get these refilled at the petrol station. Inside the caravan is all the little adapters. Now I'm not guaranteeing that these will still be on the van if you're going to buy this van, because they might be taken off. But if they are, bonus. But they might not be. So yeah, good little locker, but really only storage for your gas bottles in there. Nice A-frame 13-pin electrics. We don't get the ATC because it's such a small little van. You don't really need the ATC, to be honest, on these, as long as you load them right, of course. 230 volt in, water pump in, so that's where we're going to put our water pump in. Now have a look at this one. This is water out. Oh. So if we wanted to have a shower or something like that attached to here, we'll have a look in the bag in a minute. But yeah, there's a little attachment that goes onto there.
Shower.
Yeah, so if you're going to a noddy site, is normally what I say, isn't it? Yeah. So if you're going to the noddy site, the nudist site, yeah, you can wash yourself outside and say, whoa, morning! Cassette toilet. And then let's have a look inside. Got our awning light on the back, because obviously the awning comes at the back. Through the back doors, love! Yeah, look at this. I'm excited, aren't I? I'm excited. I'm excited. Got our little table. I do love these. I do really love these.
They're big long seats, aren't they, actually?
They are. They're really, really good. And you'll see underneath of these seats, you've got the tie downs, because these go up and you can get all the storage underneath there. And if you're thinking about where was the battery, I didn't see a battery locker on the outside. It's on the floor here.
Oh, yeah.
So that is your battery locker, and you've got the tie down kits. Got the 230 volt socket. Obviously you take the cushions off and these can all fold up and they pin up into our little clips there, and that holds it up, and you can get loads of storage in the front. Let's do it properly. Come on, you're not getting the full.
What was the payload on this?
I don't know, can't remember. I'm too excited. So it's 1,027 and it's 960 something.
So you can't actually put a lot in here, though?
Well, you don't really want to put a lot in, do you, to be fair? 916, yeah, you got 1,010, 1,009. This is a bit of
916 or 60?
100, you got, right, stop. You're getting too excited now, aren't you? You've got 109 kilograms of payload.
Right, okay, that's okay. Yeah.
Now I think if you're going to go on holiday abroad, you can only take 30 kilograms, so like, that's loads, isn't it?
Yeah.
So these strap up like this. So then look at this, look at all the storage that we get. How cool is that? Where am I supposed to put those cushions now, though?
Will they fit on top? I know.
I think they will. I think they will. I think you're right.
Just have to loosen your straps a bit.
Do your straps off. Look at that. Oh, figured it out. Figured it out.
There we go. Oh, there we go.
Look at that. So yeah, your cushions go up the back there. And that one would normally go up the front there, but I've got too excited and got carried away. So cushions, and again, look at the funky little button. So again, you can then just take these out and take it and do your shopping if you want. Yeah.
Well, it's quite a good idea when people are packing the caravan, isn't it? Because you can just pack your bag and bring it in and pack it.
Yeah. Yeah. And then again, more storage under this side. And again, you've got to be ambidextrous. I'm going to go that one at the front in a minute. Let me get one up. Right.
Can you only get one up at a time?
I can only get it up once in a day. Right. Okay, doesn't fit. Doesn't fit. Doesn't fit. It does, it sort of does. It sort of does. Just not great. That's it. Goes like that. Sideways.
Sure there's a better way than this.
Probably. If you know, right, if you know how it actually goes, let us know in the comments. But look at the space now. How good is that? Huge, massive amounts of space.
This is your disco room now.
It is. You could have a disco in here if you get all your if you're on that nudist site, right? And you're like, oh, come back to mine, folks. You can have a dance floor in the nudist camp. So, this is my outside shower. This is what I keep on about my nudist site.
Oh, right.
So you've got your outside connector then that connects on the outside. You can have a shower outside.
Because there's not a shower in here, is there?
I bet there is.
Oh, there is.
Yeah. Just means you can have 2 showers at once.
Right.
So I thought about everything. Both of you can have showers at the same time. So yeah, huge amounts of space. So you can put your bikes in, which I think is where this really comes into its own, is if you've got bikes and whatever and you've not got a roof rack, put them inside, or just a load of other stuff. You've got canoes, going to the beach. This is the sort of thing, isn't it? If you're going to go and enjoy the outdoors in your little base camp, just fill it all up with your rubbish, can't you? Get loads of crap in here. Get loads of rubbish. Yeah. Put all your wetsuits in. Look at that! Look at that! Look at that!
Oh my gosh, look at that.
So we've got the
lesser spotted Swift control panel.
proper Swift control panel in here. This also comes, let's get back serious a minute now. So we've got our adapters, as I say, for the gas low. So all the different adapters there to fill your gas bottles back up again. Not guaranteeing that they'll still be here when we actually come to sell this. Got the Alco wheel lock. So that'll definitely still be there, the Alco wheel lock for it. And then we've got the Alco hitch lock and some towing mirrors there as well by the looks of it. So yeah, cracking van. I do really like these. And on the plus, so it's Basecamp Plus, so you get the better oven and grill, because on some of them you just got the combined oven and grill, so you get a proper separate oven and grill. You get the good fridge, you get the little pop-up socket. I don't know whether you noticed that.
I did notice that. I quite like those pop-up sockets.
You got
why they don't do those more often in caravans.
Pop-up socket. Obviously all your fly screens and blinds, all your little extra bits like that. But yeah, I don't know. I just really like these. I think they're really good. The bed at the front, then when you make that bed up at the front, it just slides out. So again, it's a good.
That's better, isn't it, than those slabs?
Yeah, and that happens from both sides. I feel like we've gone too serious now. I feel that these it is a serious caravan, but it's like a caravan of fun. We should be having fun in this. Let's take all our clothes off. No, let's not. So yeah.
No, you know what happened last time? You talked about taking your clothes off.
What happened?
On TikTok.
Oh, I got banned. That wasn't my fault. Somebody goading me, that was. Making me say things I shouldn't have said. Round on the side, so we've got our TV bracket. You're trying to throw cushions at me now, aren't you? So we've got our TV bracket, we've got our 230 volt socket, we've got a 12 volt socket, we've got aerial sockets. We've got no USB sockets, have we? So a little bit slim. Slim on the socket front.
Yeah.
You have, as I said, you have got those. So I suppose you've got 3 sockets there. But if by the time you've got your kettle on there, if you put a toaster in, yeah, you've took up quite a lot of space. So you can activate the tracker as well. So this has got the tracker on here. It's not activated at the minute, so you'd have to redo all of that. Good little washroom. Just needs a good clean. It's literally, we've just took it off the back of the car, and I've got so excited.
We couldn't wait to show everybody.
I've got to get in here and have a little play. Table, so there is a big freestanding table at the front, and then all of our switches for our heating, our trip switches, our fuses is all in there. We've got the whale heating on the hot water and the heating system, so that's all controlled via there. 3-way fridge as normal. And then yeah, I love it. I don't know whether we're going to sell it. I might keep it.
Sold.
I think I'm having it.
Sold to you.
I do just love them. I don't know what it
like
is.
to get the bigger ones and see what the bigger ones are like.
Well, it's like this, just a bit more seating.
Yeah, it's just that, yeah, it'd be nice to have, wouldn't it?
Yeah. So yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed our little bestest caravan in the world review. I really love them. I think they're great. And I don't know whether I want to sell it. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.